So welcome back. Now I want to show you the results of this crackle medium. And when you remember, I already have shown you a bit last time when I applied it, the wash of this acrylic paint, and as you can see, it didn't change so much, so it was like, or it is like before. So there was not much development, and what you also can see everywhere where these little crackles are, there the wash is dark green, or was dark green, so we can say that the wash was too thin. I mean, when it comes to the content of the paint here, and also here are some spots, and that's why no crackles could be created. But I like it. Anyhow, it looks like a green fog that is running from a mountain or so. I also like that I could save these structures here. Also this one, and then this iridescent white. This was a very good idea for the clouds. And then it comes back here for the at the lower part of this painting. So it all fit together. And yes, I would say this is a finished piece. I also like the embellishments at the edges here of this crackle medium. And it also means, I mean, here is it thinner than here, for instance, but when it comes to the crackles, it means that it doesn't matter how thick this crackle medium is applied. It's just about this wash of acrylic paint you apply then on this crackle medium. Yes, I call it energy number 3. I do have a series of energy paintings, and yes, energy means for me there must be a kind of dynamic in this painting. I also have it here. I also find that these chosen colors gives a nice harmony. It's actually not these colors I like to use, but this doesn't matter. So I have many different textures. I have textures created by tapping with a palette knife, by moving with a palette knife, by using a brush that I loaded with a lot of paint. Then a palette knife here, some movements from to the sides, or from one side to other side. And then this crackle medium textures here, these little crackles. So a lot of texture, but altogether there's a kind of harmony in this painting. Yes. Okay, thank you for watching. Until next time.